Hey, it's Neil from Walters Appliance, and today we have an LG top loading washer that needs a new drain pump. I've already diagnosed this one. This particular one runs on DC voltage, so to get to the drain pump, there's four screws, they're Phillips, that hold this back cover on. So I'm using my hand tool to get these off. So once that is out of the way, you will get full access to the drain pump. There's two hoses. There's the gray there's the gray drain hose, and then the black one comes directly from the tub, and that's where the water is. There's a way that if you had a clamp that you could actually clamp the black one and keep the water in and then change it, but I needed to check something out, so I vacuumed out all the water before. Okay, so there is a wiring harness there. It actually runs to the drain pump. Okay, so that's just me showing you the clamp. Okay, so once we get the clamp off, that comes off fairly easy. And there's another clamp that's holding the drain hose. I think I tried to take the wiring harness off, but then I realized that I have to take the whole drain pump out before I could do that. Okay, so we're gonna take that hose off now. And then there's two Phillips screws at the front on each side. And in the back, there's two slots that the drain pump actually fits into. So you only need to take the two off the front. You can see the one, there's another one on the other side. You won't be able to see it, but I mean, I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of can almost like see through my fingers, so I know it's there. Okay, that's one. And then you'll see me just kind of like feel around until I get that little stubby Phillips in there. So then, same thing, just counterclockwise, unscrew it. And the part number for this drain pump was AHA 756 73404. Okay, just kind of wiggle that and then, yeah, it'll come out. Okay, and that's just the drain hose. Okay, so now we actually can get the pump out, so it's a little bit easier to access to get that wiring harness out. And so for this wiring harness, there's just two tabs on the side that you just push in. There you go. You see me push those in, and then this thing will come out. Okay, so I've got a new drain pump right here, and that little case, you get a new one with the new drain pump. All right, so here's the new drain pump. Like I said, that's AHA 756 73404. Okay, that's just opening up the little box so it can get the wiring harness. And it only goes one way, so obviously if it doesn't go that way, we'll try it that way. There you go, and it's in there. Okay, so we just got to get that drain pump. You got to get the back part of it into those two slots, and then you can just screw it down and then put the hoses back on. Okay, there we go. So it's in there now. Now we'll just grab our two screws or two Phillips. Like I said, it's probably 10 mil. But for this one, Phillips is fine. Okay, that's just me tightening up the one side, and then I will tighten it up on the other side. This machine, once I put it back together, the machine worked great. It's a good repair. Customer was very happy to have his washing machine back. Okay, we're just screwing down the other one. Okay, they're both tight, and then you can start putting the hoses on. This was a good repair, as in it didn't take too long. Most of your issue is just diagnosing whether the drain pump is bad or not. Because with all these things, it's either the drain pump's bad, the control board's not sending current out to the motor, or possibly, in very rare cases, you could have a broken wire from the control board to the drain pump. That's a tricky one that you probably won't see. Okay, so putting the drain hose back on. And putting that hand clamp back on now. And the other one and the clamp, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I showed a little bit more just because this video wasn't very long. I could show me putting some of it back together. Okay, that's great. That's another repair by Neil from Walters Appliance.